Hello everyone, this is Jackie Lloyd. So apparently I found out that the Sony Memory Play App Store there's another remote control called Smart Remote Control, which actually done the exactly same with the Smart Remote embedded that come with the camera itself, but it given more control to a smartphone. So let's give it a try. First, let me connect it with my smartphone. Let me zoom out a bit. Alright. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, let me focus it. Okay, as you can see, this smart remote control apps, it allow you control the camera ISO, the aperture, the shutter speed, and here get to choose the mode. Let's say, yeah, this is the mode that I label. Let's go intelligent mode. Yeah, everything will be auto here. But what if I need manual control? Just go manual exposure shooting. And apparently the response is a bit slow. Yep, let's go ISO 400. Yep, the response definitely is slow. And the shutter, let's go. Oh man. Let's choose 1/30. Yep. And at the setting there, you can actually set the white balance, self timer, review image, save option, size of review image, live view quality. And one nice thing about this remote control is you actually can now focus on your smartphone. Let me focus my smartphone. Yep. It's a bit slow but still usable. And once you're happy with your focusing, just press the shutter button. Yep. The image will be saved in your smartphone and a copy on your camera itself. So yeah, that's all for the quick demo for the smart remote control apps. Thanks for watching.